What's up, XRP family? Thank you for joining the video today. We have a lot of stuff to talk about. Before we dig in, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, drop some comments below on your thoughts. That would be appreciated. Thank you very much. A lot of people are dropping comments in a negative way. We don't have place for negativity here, guys. This is for people who believe in XRP. If you do not believe in XRP, then quit the video, don't watch it, because this is made for the people that know what is XRP about. Okay, so let's get this clear. People who are saying XRP is shit, stuff like that, get the beep out, because I don't need people like that. Okay, let's dig in. The WEF have Cyber Polygon event scheduled for this month. This will essentially simulate a cyber attack event that collapses the global financial system and global supply chain. Now, we have been talking about this for quite a long time. Now, listen, guys, it's not going to be easy. You're not going to be an XRP millionaire overnight. It's not going to be that easy, okay? They will have to do something to get out these retail traders. They will have to do something to make people very, very scared before the price goes up. Okay, this is very important. This is something that will happen. It's 100%. So whether it be a cyber attack, whether it be something else that will drop the price instantly to maybe 10 cents and scare everyone out, because this is what's needed for the price to go to higher numbers. We have to get rid of all these small investors that don't believe in XRP. They have doubts and everything like that. This will only be for the strong holders, the people who know what they're holding, who are all in, who know that XRP will go up no matter what. And that's exactly the mentality you need. If you have just a small piece of doubt, guys, you already lost. You cannot win this game because you're playing against the biggest governments, the biggest institutions that have a plan. Okay, so you have to understand that, get that in your mind. And that's what's happening now. So here, the World Economic Forum has telling us for a while that we have to plan for a cyber attack. Last time that someone told us we have to plan for a pandemic, that's what happened. So it's very likely that this will happen. Cyber pandemic prepping, Cyber Polygon 2021 to tackle ransomware, supply chains, digital currencies, and global internet regulation. Now, what will happen? We don't know, guys. We don't know. They're just giving us hints, but we don't know for sure what will happen. Here we have XRP ripple effect. Is this the best way to keep the SEC in check? So here we have some arguments about Deaton and the XRP community. Let's take a look. The SEC, Deaton alleged, failed to intervene back when it granted permission to Ripple to buy 9% of MoneyGram, knowing that XRP would be traded or distributed by Ripple to MoneyGram. In fact, this was the case even when Coinbase went to the SEC in 2019 before it listed XRP, and they didn't do anything about it. Attorney John Deaton is the lead representative of a class of XRP holders who wish to intervene in the said lawsuit. When asked what a settlement in the present case would absolutely need, he responded, "If the judge allows us to participate, the first thing I'm going to do is file a declaratory judgment asking the court as a matter of law to say exactly what Judge Castile said in Telegram case, where he said that Gram itself is just an alphanumeric code that's the same with XRP." He added, as a matter of law, XRP itself is an asset, and any settlement will have to distinguish between sales of XRP in those earlier years versus the sales on secondary markets. So basically what they're saying is they cannot be blamed for selling XRP later on, and because the problem is with an ICO. An ICO is that you sell something in return for profit. So XRP already passed that point and now they're doing different things, but they still want to sue them for that. That being said, there was some pushback from the panel itself. Professor Garo Goforth among the ones to claim that while the timing on the lawsuit was all wrong under law, the SEC's actions were perfectly justified, she added. They, XRP holders, bought XRP because they expected Ripple to push up the value of the token, so that it would be a speculative, profitable investment. It's a common enterprise, and everyone's interest in XRP rises or falls together. And it is something where they are expecting profits from the efforts of Ripple, and that makes it a security. So then, actually, if they claim this, every cryptocurrency has to be a security. Because it's not possible if you, of course, you're expecting profit when you buy a cryptocurrency. You see, guys, these things, they're just delaying it. They're just delaying. And even if XRP becomes a security, guys, that may not be a bad thing for XRP holders, to be honest. But I don't think it will happen. Brian Armstrong says China's digital currency is a threat to us. Now, this is the thing what United States is dealing with right now. They are dealing with countries that already have CBDCs and already running CBDCs, and they don't even have regulatory framework. So you want to tell me that the United States is accepting that China has a CBDC and they don't, and they're not doing anything? I think, guys, that there's different things that we cannot see that are in the works, and it definitely has to do with XRP being used to make CBDCs or to provide a better technology than China or anything, you know, because Ripple is based in USA. So if USA is really against Ripple, like if this is real, they're so stupid. They are so stupid, because they're literally they block innovation. You know, innovation is impossible if you are not allowing a company like that to do its work. So I think this will be very important in the coming days. Brian Armstrong strongly argues that China's central bank digital currency will pose a threat to the US. Armstrong see the CBDC as a move that will disrupt the United States reserve currency in the long run. And this is definitely going to happen unless the USA is going to do something. Now, this is a very good video, guys. Just listen to this. This is, if you want to be wealthy, this is it. This is what you have to think about. This is Grant Cardone. He's a real estate investor. He's super rich. Let's take a look at what he's saying.
I don't have any money in a retirement account. I don't have money in a 401k. I don't have equity in a house. I got all my money in real estate that pays me every month. I'm a freak. But I'm all in. I'm all in, man. I'm all in. You study the wealthiest people on this planet. They find 2 or 3 things and they put all their money in those 2 or 3 things. They do not invest in 50 things. How many of you have been told that before? Diversify, diversify, diversify. How many have been told that before? That's not what rich people do. The super wealthy do not diversify.
The diversification is a terrible mistake.
The super wealthy put all their energy, all their time, and all their effort in 1 or 2 things, and that's it. Once they get super rich, then they diversify. That's not how they got rich. If you study super wealthy people, they all create wealth in 1 bucket. I don't have any money in.
That's just the truth of that, guys. It's really like that. If you want to get rich, you have to put your money in something that you trust and know, and you can't keep going after hype or another hype or another hype. This will break you, so be careful with that. Just a reminder, guys, just a reminder. Fun fact, why XRP is called XRP. Now, this is quite interesting. This is the reason that actually they named XRP like so. 3-letter currency codes are formed by appending a single character to the 2-letter country code of the issuing country. Since the United States country code is US, they named it USD. Some non-countries still have country codes. The EU has the country code EU, so the currency for euros is UR. Of course, XRP is not issued by a country. For asset not issued by any country, the first letter must be X. Now, this is very interesting, guys. This is saying that we are dealing with a currency here. Look at gold. He says, look at gold. Now, country codes starting with X will be issued. So, for example, since the chemical symbol for gold is AU, gold's currency code is XAU. Very simple. Some people used BTC for Bitcoin, but people who care about standards use XBT. XRP's first letter is X. because XRP is not issued by any country. In the early days, we called the ledger's native asset ripples, so the natural currency code to choose was XRP. I don't think anybody calls them ripples anymore, but I have heard ZRPs. So this is just a fun fact, guys, and it's actually a very good thing because we know that we are dealing with a currency. So this is an interesting thing, the difference between Bitcoin and XRP. I will put the link in the description if you want to read this. If you're interested in this, it's very interesting. Go read it. I just wanted to show you this, guys. You already know that, but just another reminder that XRP is moving very fast. 3 to 5 seconds to settle. Bitcoin takes 10 minutes. Look at the transaction fee. It's not even a cent. Bitcoin is $5 at least. 1,500 transactions per second, 3 transactions per second, and environmental sustainable. Now this is the most important, the last one, because the BIS wants something that is sustainable. We are in the green today. We are almost 70 cents. We made a nice breakout. I think we will go much higher than this price right now. Bitcoin mining difficulty records largest drop in history. Price jumps. Now, guys, this is something that will maybe be the reason for a shift. Maybe we will see another number one cryptocurrency. Maybe it will be Ethereum or XRP. Let's see. Nice Bitcoin price move as the downward difficulty adjustment passes as expected this morning. Fees already $6 over the past hour compared to $10 yesterday. Hopefully transactions can now start to pick up. They need to. So the transaction fees are a bit cheaper because the difficulty is dropping. Because of China, not everyone is mining anymore. But what if that starts again, guys? It's going to be the same thing all over again. And does anybody find this interesting? This is very interesting, guys. XRP, silver and gold all trading 70.76 on Independence Day in the middle of a financial reset. A revolution, if you will. That's not coincidence. Some sort of digitized gold and possibly silver backed economy is just around the corner. Take a look at this, guys. You cannot make this up. This was on, I think, if I'm not mistaken, on July 4th of 2020. XRP 17.76. Silver $17.76. Gold 1,776. Now you can clearly see that there is some relation with gold and silver. Now we already know that, guys. We know that XRP is gonna be backed by gold. People think that we are crazy, but we're not crazy, guys. Once it happens, we will melt faces. Stellar XLM was traded at 6,771. Reverse price is 17.76. So here we have again. This was on July 4th of July 2020. Very, very interesting. There is no coincidence, guys. When gold was $17,706, silver was 1.76, and XRP was 17 cents on July 4th, 2020. That's a year ago. Let's see, because these are very interesting times right now. It can happen any day now, guys. Now, this is what they were thinking about. This is what they were thinking about the internet. Internet may be just a passing fad as millions give up on it. It's exactly the same with cryptocurrency. This is what's happening. They are trying to wipe it off. They are trying to say that cryptocurrency is nothing. And maybe in 10 years, it will be the standard. Blockchain will be standard. And whatever. Like, this is just the beginning, guys. You're so early. The digital euro is something Europe can't afford to get wrong. Current regulatory plans undercut innovation and favor big banks and big tech. The European Union's regulation of markets in crypto assets aims to be a comprehensive regulatory framework for crypto assets, including stablecoins. They know that they have to regulate it and they have to accept it. This is a very big thing, and they will make a digital euro. Now, if this will be on Ripple is not yet confirmed, but we know that the French bank has made some tests and was in favor of the Ripple technology. So it's going to be very interesting. Here we have Europe must recognize not only the importance of the digital euro for the future of the European economy, but also the need for types of different euro. Ideally, this should include not only a euro central bank digital currency, but also separate euro referenced stablecoins and other modes. How can they do that? They need Ripple technology, guys, to make cross-border payments. Exposed, congressman trying to shut down cryptocurrency gets biggest donations from big banks and financial institutions. Now, if you remember, this guy was saying that we have to shut down cryptocurrency. Turns out he gets big donations from big banks, and that's why he's doing this. Today, during an FSD hearing, I highlighted the threats posed to Americans and the US financial system by cryptocurrencies. One of the biggest opponents of crypto in Washington is Congressman Brad Sherman, a California Democrat who has in the past called for crypto to be banned. Now, we know that, but cryptocurrencies have the political support of the patriotic anarchists who are rooting for tax evasion. Sherman concluded, I hope we shut it down. Very stupid guy. Let's see, we have here, but there's also more cynical yet simple answer. Some of Congressman Sherman's biggest donors are big banks and mainstream financial institutions, the same interest threatened by the rise of cryptocurrency. See, this is the reason that he is doing that. He is afraid. He is very afraid, guys. This is what he's getting on donations. So you have to understand that this guy is very afraid of cryptocurrency, which is stupid, because cryptocurrency will not just wipe currencies off the earth. Flare unveils plan to send 100 billion Spark tokens to XRP holders in massive airdrop. So basically what they're saying here is that 50% will be claimable, and then every next month you get 3% of your Flare tokens, carrying on for a minimum of 25 months and a maximum of 34 months. So you will not get all your Flare and Spark tokens in one go. And this is very important, guys. They did this very good, because people, if they dropped everything in one time, people will go and sell everything and the price will drop immensely and it will not be good for the ecosystem. Now they just get 15% and then they get 3% every month. So it will be consecutive, it will be good, it will be healthy for the Flare network. So here you can see the customers of Ripple, guys. This gets me pumped up every day when I look at it. Thailand's oldest bank serves a wide range of customers. This is the biggest bank in Thailand. Look at what they say. Our customers can send money to family and friends abroad in real time from their phones. Being part of RippleNet has helped us to completely enhance our customer experience, expand our business, and keep SCB moving into the future. Now this is important, guys, especially for countries for third world countries that don't have that much money, and when they send to their family they get the full amount. Through Niam's use of Ripple in the Philippines and Mexico corridors, we have been able to eliminate pre-funding requirements and offer faster remittances at a lower cost. This is just amazing, guys. Do me a favor, go out for a 13-mile run right now. What you will find is that the 200 parts are the start and the last mile. XRP is currently at the last mile. This is it, guys. This is it. If you hold your XRP just now, hold it, hold it, hold it. Don't sell. You are almost there. I can guarantee you guys that we are almost there. I believe these are just numerics. It's interesting, guys. I'm not spreading any conspiracy. This is just interesting, okay? And I know that July is a very big month. I believe these 2 days US will be very significant of the month of July, possibly the most significant. 26 week 27. July 4th, 7/4/21 is 11/3/113. Mr. Pool tweet. July 9th, July 4th, 5th, July 9th, 10th. So July will be very, very interesting, guys. Just squeeze it. If you're holding and you're tired, just don't look at it, guys. Just leave it there and you will be fine. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Cheers.